Meaning of gap.
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 Gap. Gap is a noun that refers to an opening or space in between two things, often used to indicate a lack of connection or disparity. It can also refer to a physical distance between objects. The word has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. For instance, in finance, gap typically signifies the difference between two figures or values, such as a company's expected earnings versus its actual earnings. In mathematics, gap can refer to a discontinuity or break in the continuity of a sequence. Overall, gap serves as a descriptive term for a variety of observable or conceptual separations.